Good morning. Oh my goodness, very beautiful today, Gigi.
Oh, thank you.
We're back here today and we are going to make one of our family's traditional finger food. It's my son's birthday, so Nan was going to make this anyway, so we thought we would record. What are we making?
Chicken rolls.
Chicken rolls. Does anyone know what a chicken roll is?
Well, I call them chicken rolls. I've been making them since 1970, and it's just white bread. You cut the crust off, and you roll it with the rolling pin. You flatten them, and you put all these ingredients like.
All right, so we've got bread, and then we've got some chicken loaf,
chicken breast.
Chicken breast. What's the difference?
Big difference. This is the real chicken breast. The other one is processed.
Okay, so chicken breast, it's thin. We've got Australian mustard. What else?
Butter and oil to fry it in.
Are we shallow frying them? Are we shallow frying
yes.
them?
And then after we roll them and put the chicken and they'll be ready to fry, we beat the eggs, parsley, pepper and salt.
It's very simple.
Yeah.
Not a difficult one to make.
Yeah, but no one makes them. I'm the only one that makes them.
Okay, you heard it here. She's the only one who makes them, but maybe from this day forward, other people might make them.
Yes, I hope so.
Yeah, because they are so yum and they're one of my favorites at a party. Just like
and I get the toothpicks to
hold
them together.
The toothpicks. All right. So what are we doing first? Cut the bread.
First, we cut the bread. This is the bread I use because it's full of goodness and fiber, and I buy it for my grandchildren and my great-grandchildren because I try to put as much good things in them as much as I can.
Thank you so much. So thoughtful. All right, so we're going to cut up the bread.
I've washed my hands thoroughly, and now we're going to cut off the crust. And I keep all this, and I make breadcrumbs out of all that. I don't throw it out.
We don't waste here. All the crusts have gone into the bag because we're going to make breadcrumbs with that. Nan's taught me how to make her breadcrumbs, so yeah, I don't buy the packet breadcrumbs, so they're really nice and, you know, what's the word?
Fresh, healthy. I don't know.
Bread.
I'd rather have my own bread because I know what bread I'm using. And
yeah, so I've started to make the breadcrumbs how Nan does it as well, and yeah.
And now we roll the bread.
All right, so we're going to roll the bread. We're going to make it thin.
So you do the whole loaf like that. Make sure the corners are flat.
All right, give me a go. Oh, you're so like, make it.
To the edge.
Huh?
Go to the edge.
I am going to the edge.
That's it. That's it. See, it's easy now. You can make them.
Well, I have made them before.
Have you?
Yeah.
Did I eat them?
I don't know, Nan.
I can't remember, Sarah.
Maybe if I made them, you weren't there.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Because if you come, you always make them.
Well, I'll be gone one day and you'll have to make them.
All right, let's not go there.
Well, that's life, isn't it?
You are very strong. I can't get the edge down. Oh, fuck, I'm sweating.
You finished? All right, turn the cooler off, doll. You want to continue?
Yeah, I was going to continue. That's why I took my top off.
All right.
I'm sweating.
I know you want to build your muscle.
Yeah, exactly. It's a workout. All right. Ugh. I know. Look at my muscles. They're getting big.
Oh, wow.
Oh, my God. This is using a lot of core muscles. Really engaging the core, guys. If
You're not at the gym.
We can maybe do some squats while we're here. One more.
You can't do the squats. I'm not doing the squats. The other loaf done.
Well, I mean, I have to say those edges don't look completely flat.
Which the one
Look
I
at
made?
the one at the bottom. Look at that. Look, it's so fat.
Oh, maybe they're puffed up a bit. You know, it's bread.
The Australian mustard, because we're in Australia.
No, because Sarah like Australian mustard, so I can't
I'm sorry,
use
but I've had
anything
Dijon
else.
mustard as well.
Did you?
Yeah.
Mm,
But I just feel like for this, it's more
yeah,
like old
appropriate.
school,
Yes.
what
Okay.
you normally do.
Mhm. So we'll put the mustard from one edge to the other. Oh, they cut it too thin. I can't manage it, or too thick.
Do you not just put it from edge to edge?
No. Is that what you do, Sarah?
Yeah, what are you doing? Making a little
No,
folded
because
thing?
this is how you do it.
Why?
I'll show you why in a minute. So you crumble it like sort of in the middle. So you go in and you tuck it in all the way.
Why?
Tuck it in so it comes nice and together.
Yeah, but
And you put the toothpick in. And I prepared that plate to put the rolled ones on.
Nan, let me show you what you told me.
No, I'm doing it this way.
Let me show
This is
you.
how to do
Just
it.
one. Just one. I show you what
Okay,
you
all
told
right,
me.
let me finish
Because
this.
you basically just popped it all in the middle. Like, I know it's all just going to go in your mouth
No,
anyway,
but when you cut it.
let me show you. I know, but like, this is what you initially had told me.
No, I did not, Sarah, never.
You did. And that means like through every little layer, oh, now we have like little thingies hanging out.
That's right. That's why. Oh, what a mess.
Oh!
This is not professional cooking, I can tell you.
Well, I'm
Okay.
clearly not a professional cook, but oh my goodness. Imagine if you had a restaurant.
Oh, that's why I haven't got a restaurant.
You would be like, move out the way, you're doing it wrong. No, bad. Very bad. Anyway, repeat, do it to the whole loaf. I mean, yeah, if you're just making one for yourself, then
Yeah.
don't make the whole loaf. But this is a traditional party food for us, like a finger food. Very interesting. This technique has evolved again.
Sarah, you imagine things, you know?
Anyway, as she places all of the chicken breast into the little pieces of bread, rolling them up tightly and putting a little toothpick in to hold it. So 1970, where did you get the recipe for
I
this?
didn't get the recipe. I invented these.
What?
I've told you this before, Sarah.
Are you sure? I'm just
Are
joking.
you taping?
Yeah. Didn't know that. I thought you saw it on cooking show.
No,
What made you do that?
I don't know. Just like cooking.
Very interesting.
Some people that make this because I told them how to make it. Some of them use ham.
Yeah.
But I never used ham. I just call them chicken
No,
loaf.
I think it would work with ham, but
Yeah, because ham goes really well with mustard.
yeah. So there you have it, Gigi's creation of chicken rolls. So this is what they look like before we cook them.
Very good.
Oh my God, we said the same thing. This is yours.
Yep, thank you.
This is what I put in my coffee because I'm an amateur still. A bit of chocolate, no sugar. But I also did a double shot of the espresso.
Oh, wow, we're getting game.
Well, because my one, I do a long one at home. And I did a short
Well,
one
you could
here.
have done it there.
I know. I feel like last time I did it here, though, I stuffed it up. Alexa, play music.
Don't you say please?
No. Alexa, volume to 2. Do you say please to Alexa?
Yes.
That's That's so nice of you.
I use my manners everywhere, Sarah. You want that because it's sweet.
Clearly, I'm not putting any sugar in here.
Yeah, that's right.
So the eggs we whisk.
Yes.
And then we dip the bread chicken roll.
We put parsley, salt, pepper, whip it, and then we dip them in a Friday. And along the way, I take the toothpicks out.
Are these duck eggs?
No, duck eggs are very big.
Just joking.
You're very funny, Sarah.
Oh my gosh.
Pepper, eh? The kids eat it. I'll just put.
Just do what you normally do, because I don't notice pepper. Ooh, it's a lot of pepper.
Oh, it's not. Usually I put a lot more.
Okay.
And this is my parsley from my garden.
Dried.
I dry it, yes, because I find it very convenient.
It's going to turn green, the egg. You put that much in.
Now we put this on. So we put a little bit of oil. And some butter.
What kind of butter is that?
Western Star.
Like unsalted butter?
No, salted butter.
Salted butter.
Mm-hmm.
And we're just putting the little baby rolls into the egg, coating them before we fry them up. All right, so we're just turning them over so they can cook on the other side.
Make sure they're golden brown.
All right, so we are taking them off and putting them onto some paper towel. Look at that. Cutting them all up, placing them on the serving platter. And there you have it, guys. These are Gigi's chicken rolls.
Amen.